Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the True House Affordability Calculator on the RBC mobile app. This tool helps you estimate how much home you can afford based on your financial situation. First, open the RBC app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Once you're on the home screen, go to the bottom right corner and tap on More. From there, scroll down until you find the section called Services, then look for Tools and Calculators and tap on it. You'll see a list of available tools. Find and select the True House Affordability Calculator. Once you tap on it, you'll be redirected to a new page where the calculator is available. This tool is designed to help you understand how much home you can afford, whether you're buying your first home or planning to upgrade to a new one. To get started, tap the arrow or continue button on the screen. You'll then be asked what you want to do, such as buying your first home or buying your next home. Choose the option that fits your situation, then follow the on-screen steps. You may be asked whether you're an RBC client and to provide some basic financial information. As you go through the process, the calculator will estimate your affordability and give you an idea of your budget for buying a home. And that's it. You've learned how to use the True House Affordability Calculator on the RBC mobile app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple finance tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.